As coronavirus has killed thousands and disrupted daily life in ways that would have seemed unthinkable at the start of the new year and poses a dire threat to the health of the world economy. Now, the World Health Organization says the coronavirus pandemic is defining global health crisis of our time, capable of revealing the best and worst in humanity. On March 22, Prime Minister Modi pointed out the scale of challenge while asking for Janata curfew when World War I and II didn't affect as many countries as coronavirus has done. EM in charge for medical and family welfare under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Khonsing Rongpi, also appealed and urged the locals to take certain precautionary measures and checks which could help in finding the spread and control of coronavirus. Mr. Rongpi appealed the people to avoid traveling to animals, close contact with affected people, and he also urged the people to clean their hands after tending sick people, sneezing or treating wounds. So now let's go across to Mr. Khonsing Rongpi, who addressed from his apartment this afternoon, and let's listen in what he had to say.
Coronavirus akiso pada avupen ilitum kadu kamita kicipai jogja pham ilitum klinik bongo tapen ke bangso avupen kicipai jogja awam sitami ilitum TV, radio, Facebook, WhatsApp long sitami ilitum long bongo pen tanpa chini bongo but ilitum chadi demo lo chini bongo lapen ke bangso avu pen ilit tu cepat ji akham nili kisuman NGO organization alang tu bangso avu pen rat pan cepat ji pan ke klaim bom ke nam bom akam amo heglongsi nili alang litum han nili Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council nili alang litum han churu parlo lapen ke jong si mana do ulang de police pas tadi aso avura kremen ilitum ke phiri unangne wa phisi tame ke chere megba ke naso asira rafanili Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Health and Family Welfare Department ahin pen kanthir ke krohen lo opran keme aron lo pu asi amen teramsi nalitum kadu kawi anili thot kadong nang pasir iglo lapan aparata akueson kethi dung akam dolang labang ke mopina idum kaching honma Prime Minister Narendra Modi ahin pen ke phapon janata curfew mate opna ghonta tripli ilitum inimat masalajo banhok namde pikpen ilitum nahok hong read nok kamai ilitum barnane ilitum ilongwara disipli nanti haso ke phapon an dengamong stan adu kawe Karbi Anglong aran kambali Prime Minister Narendra Modi ke phapon akam amo along ta curfew long adu kawe ta pachitudun edifansi bili benta suning ritlo ajusi kam thir ke kroy hanlo opran keme aronlo asemen soteramsi bili han tumhan adu kawe ta bang so awur krepen sipajaw ye khan asayamo dekwa me ko ningi chesi likado no kado.
All right, that was Khonsing Rongpi, Executive Member in charge for Health and Family Welfare under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, who spoke on the present crisis of coronavirus that has been going on across the world. Anyway, moving on. As the Prime Minister Modi has called for Janata curfew on March 22, saying all citizens must stay in their houses from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. to try and check the spread of the deadly virus. Now, Difu Auto Rickshaw Association appealed the auto drivers not to drive tomorrow 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. This was informed this morning around 9 o'clock here on Saturday. Now, the Difu Auto Rickshaw Associations have urged the locals to stay safe at home.
Non pirthe dang che thang flu coronavirus aputha thini pachini phan si pachini lo je coronavirus aputha ke che thang flu lo che thang flu po phita ilitum kachere ko ansi kachere ponang ma la bang anutin ta chini pon hulo ba anutin long tar pu do lo la ke ilitum ladak ni tang o ni jakong do ni video o pura la ke cherai re dia phan gali anutin ta che chingrai ponang aso podak siminap Janata curfew people no la si Janata curfew along pache ton nun si pinam ni tum difu angkang auto vek bang atum phan kachuning ripon ada baji truck siban ajo baji sir cap an kangkir ponji phan si tuning ripon lo.
Right, so that's a wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Jonali Timung, please bring you the more details on coronavirus. Do stay with us, don't go anywhere.